Hi, my name is Jeffrey. Welcome to Learn with Signature, where we learn about total home and living solutions. Today, let's talk about the basic planning of kitchen for beginners. 3 points that we need to take note when we want to plan for a kitchen, right? Basically, we will need to look at the sink, inlet and outlet. Secondly, the place where we cook, which is the stove. Then thirdly, the fridge. The first thing is to determine the location of these main components according to the layout of your house, as well as your lifestyle and needs from the kitchen. So whether you cook a lot or you cook a little bit, how many people staying in, whether it's a Soho, apartment, landed, or even a bungalow. Once you have identified the locations of these components, it's time to ensure that it helps you optimize your kitchen workflow, or sometimes it can be known as the working triangle between the cooking area, washing area, as well as storage area. A little bit more on the working triangle. So it doesn't mean that you have to plan everything in a perfect triangle. It could be a big triangle, could be a small triangle. Okay? A proper planning kitchen which eliminates excessive walking in the kitchen. The second step is to determine the sizes of the cooking area, washing area, as well as storage area. For example, if you only do light cooking, such as Maggi mee every now and then, it doesn't make sense to invest in a 4-burner stove, right? However, a big cabinet and fridge might still work for you if you are very much into fresh fruits, salad kind of diet, which doesn't require much preparations and cooking. Or if you are more into baking than comparing to Asian cookings, then allocating space for a bigger oven should be your priority. When it comes to the sink area, we can have a double bowl, whether you need it or not. If it's a single bowl, you can save the space again. And this equipment eventually will determine the size of the cabinet in order to house them. Thus, it makes up a simple planning of a kitchen. Okay, the last point here, it's design versus practicality. Let me give you an example. Some people that emphasize a lot on design, they have the whole kitchen in full design, but at the end when they do day-to-day use, they found it impractical. The other way around, the contrast. People that always think of practicality, they have cabinets, all cabinets, they stuff everything inside. But to some people say that too flat, too blunt, no design. At the end, we have to think about the balance of design and practicality. Which one is more important? Of course, if you can strive in between, it is the best of both worlds. Here in Signature, our R&D have already provided many selections of modules to cater for your needs, okay? To make it up in the balance of design and practicality, okay? For instance, over here, when you look close up, it's current trendy type of industrial look. It looks like something like a cement rendered design, okay? So behind it, what are they? So we can have practicality inside. So we have these gadgets and baskets to cater for all needs. So plain cabinets, maybe you can see one of the pull-out that you can put sauce and spices into it, okay? Everything are nicely organized inside. Over here, we have something like a pull-out baskets which reach into the corners. So this is also one of the recommended gadgets you can have for your kitchen. Additionally to the cabinet design, we have these optional items which we call it the wall recess rail system. Alright, we can have the accessories to put in the towel rolls, small compartments, maybe spices to put inside, and even glass shelves for some little decorate items. So this could actually spice up your kitchen design. Over this side, you see a row of tall cabinets, okay? In other words, people call it the pantry or the ladder unit. What is that? Let's have a look. Ladder or tandem pull-up unit. This one is for us to keep a lot of canned food as well as cereal, jar, bottles, everything inside here, right? So mainly to store food stuff, dry food, Maggi mee. So these are all ideal in order to store all these items in a proper, organized way. When you open up, the internal basket comes out to you instead of we have to reach in. We have this tall unit which you can pull the whole thing out and reach from all angles. So this is also another example of ladder, the front side and the inner part. So this explains the accessories beside a standard shelving cabinets what we have in our call cabinet. If you have any questions or things that you want to know, leave in the comment below. Don't forget to share, like this page, and subscribe to our channel for future videos. My name is Jeffrey, signing off for today. Thank you for watching.